how to make a chicken satay and potato seafood. And in my way, this is for marination: coconut milk, coconut cream, coconut milk with the chili flakes already, and 2 cloves of garlic. Let's press or grated, it's fine, and a sea well. Still cannot see. Still cannot see. Okay. And then 2 cloves of garlic. You can use also the grated, but for me I need to use brush. Yes. And then I use the white onion. It's a yellow onion. I use the onion. They say there's a half, a small one, but this one is a 1/4. I need to be chopped into it. Instead, we need to chop it into fine. And then, now, it's in there, and then use the food processor to make it fine, even more fine. And put in it. I'm following this book actually. Alright, 3 tablespoons of coconut aminos. 3 tablespoons, that means so salty. 1, 2, 3. Coconut aminos, which is a switch with the soy sauce. 2 dashes of, or 2 or 3 dashes of fish sauce. 1, 2, 3. Cumin, which I really don't like cumin that much. I like this cooked little bit. Magagputok. Ay! Kasi naputok, tiamot na. And then, pinch of salt. Okay, pinch of salt. Instead of salt, I want to use the garlic salt. Okay. And then pinch of ground black pepper. Just pinch it. And then, okay, review. 1 half cup of hot coconut milk, tablespoon coconut aminos, 2 to 3 fish sauce, 1 half small yellow onion finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic grated or minced it, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, pinch of red pepper flakes, and pinch of salt, pinch of and then mix. I use this one to mix. Smell good actually. Then I'm ready to marinate it. Just look like it. And it smells good too. Alright. then cover it to marinate to refrigerate it and marinate it. Put it in the fridge. Okay. Now it is cooked like this. And then next, I will show you how to make the sauce. Satay sauce. Satay sauce. Alright, next is the sauce. It's a satay one. The first one is the marination, but this time is the sauce on it. Okay? It's just one. Okay. I need to start it by coconut aminos, 1 cup again. 1 cup. Is it 1 cup? Oh no, 1 half cup. Sorry, 1 half cup. 1 half cup. One half cup. More. Then 1 half cup. Coconut aminos, 1 half cup. And then next, unsweetened peanut or almond. Or almond butter. Okay. So same as 1 half cup. Cannot. So I need to scoop it. 1 half cup. It's so sticky. 1 half cup. Alright. 1 half cup. Almond butter. Let me try it. Nice. And then next, 1/4 cup of vinegar. I said it's rice vinegar, but I want to use the apple cider. Apple cider. Apple cider. So it's said in there 1/4 cup. I use this one. 1/4. That might be so sour this. Because I changed. I don't have rice vinegar. Alright. 1/4 apple cider vinegar. And then I don't have sesame seeds, so I'm put black pepper, 2 spoonfuls. Okay. Chili flakes again. It's a 1/4 sea salt. Sea salt. Sea salt. That's it. 1 more. And then pepper flakes. Pepper. But I use this one. I will chop it by myself. I put all together and then I use the coffee sorter to process it. To make it very fine and salt. Like a salt. I guess like a sauce. Oh yeah, the sauce. Now, the marination is there, right? The marination is there. Not yet. Because I'm hungry, I thought I had something. I forgot about the black pepper, so this is black pepper. Okay, ground black pepper. Finish it, ground black pepper. Alright, now I have to make it fine. Yeah, and then this is how it is. It's a little bit sour because I changed the vinegar. It's rice vinegar, but I changed it to apple cider vinegar. So, okay, it's nice. So I will show you later how to. I use the charcoal. I will roasted it in the barbecue, like barbecue.